So on this one, they gave you these 3 clues, but we add this one here, and that'll help us. So it's going to be log base 5 of 5 minus log base 5 of 6 minus log base 5 of 6, and that should get you your answer. Because the 36 is downstairs. So it's log base 5 of 5, and then over 6 times 6. So since these two are downstairs, these are minuses. So it's log base 5 of 5 minus log base 5 of 6, because he's downstairs, minus log base 5 of 6. So we get 1 minus 1.1 minus 1.1, which is 1 minus 2.2, which is negative 1.2, I think. If you're going to use 6 squared, it's going to be log base 5 of 5 minus 2 times log base 5 of 6, because this means if it's squared, you can put the 2 in the front. And that's still going to be 2 times that is 2.2. It's 2 times 1.1. Okay. It's still going to, it should give you the same answer. So on this problem, I know that the log base 4 of 9 equals the log base 4 of 3 times 3, which is 3 squared. So I haven't changed the value, I just changed the look. And now I can put the 2 in the front, and I make it equal to the 1.6 they gave me up here, okay? Well, 2 times that equals 1.6, and that equals 0.8. You divide both sides by 2. Got it? So we know how we got log base 4 of 3 is 0.8. Does anybody know what the log base 4 of 2 is? What exponent can I put on a 4 to get a 2? What do I have to do to a 4 to get a 2? Don't think of division, think of exponential. Square root. What is the fraction associated with a square root? 1/2. So this is equal to 1/2. When we're setting this up, this is going to be the log base 4 of 3 minus the log base 4 of 2 minus the log base 4 of 5 minus the log base 4 of 5, because 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. And do we have the log base 4 of 3? 0.8. Do we have the log base 4 of 2? Minus 1/2, 0.5. And then the log base 4 of 5, minus 1.2, minus 1.2. And the answer is whatever the answer is.